Welcome to Gigi's Cooking Corner. Here we are again, little kiddos, my favorite little people. You'll notice on this cooking show that I like to make things that are sweet and pastry things and cookie things. But once in a while, we're gonna do something that you can make for dinner for your family all by yourself that you'll also love to eat. So today we're gonna make a taco soup, which I know we all love. So we're gonna learn a new skill. And I wanna tell you a trick about an onion, because when I was your age, when I was a little kiddo, I would look through anything on my plate and look for any tiny little piece of onion. In case there was one there, then I wouldn't eat it. But I learned as I got older that you really can't taste the onions. They give you a little more flavor, so don't be afraid. Take the onion, you're gonna cut off a little bit off of each side. Don't be afraid to take off a good old layer of the peeling. And I know that you might have heard that onions might make you cry, but you cut this onion so fast that it won't make you cry.
Gigi, I have a question.
What's your question?
What are some things that do make you cry?
Not being with my grandkids enough. And not being with my best friend. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to get this off. Okay, the peel is off of that. Let's get rid of it. Don't put it down the sink. Okay, watch. This is how you're gonna wanna cut it. You're gonna look at it from the top, cut this part in half, lay it down side by side, take your knife carefully, and cut as close to the end over here as you can into small little dices. Then you're gonna go like this, and just like magic, you have teeny tiny little pieces of onion. And no one is crying, and it's gonna make our soup taste great. So you just cut it up like that, easy peasy. Finn, if you were here, I would let you practice on this one. You're gonna take it all the way, as close as you can to that side. Little tiny pieces. Okay, here we go. Make them as small as you want, so no one will notice that they're in your recipe. You will need to have your mom supervise you, because you're gonna use a sharp knife. Okay, let's throw it in the pot. You're gonna turn this on pretty high to start. We're gonna throw the onion in there and the meat. We've got 1 pound of hamburger that's going in here. I'm trying to get the meat in here without the blood. Okay. Oh, if you listen close, you can hear it sizzling. It's getting hot. And you want to immediately wash off your hands if you touch the meat. Okay, you're gonna stir this pot together until the meat is all brown and the onions are kind of soft. See how that's going? The more you stir it, you're gonna break up all that hamburger down there. It's gonna turn into soup. Cook it, cook it, cook it, till there's no more red. We're going to add beans now that the meat's ready. You can add any kind you want. We're gonna do red beans, black beans, pinto beans, 1 can of corn, and a big can of tomatoes. Here we go. Oliver, if you were here, I would let you dump these in.
But you're not, so Gigi will do it herself.
Yes, I will. And I'll think about you the whole time.
I know think about her the whole time too.
Awesome.
Woo, here they go. So good. Okay, we're gonna drain the water off of the corn so it's not super soupy. Here goes the tomatoes. Wow, you have a good look of what's in this pan? Okay, now that we know that this is taco soup, we're gonna add some taco seasoning. And it's gonna taste just like a taco!
How much are we adding?
We're gonna add a couple tablespoons of this.
Okay.
Would this be an acceptable thing to eat on Taco Tuesday?
Oh, yes, 100%.
How about Friday?
You could even put it on a tortilla.
Tortilla Friday?
Okay, here we go. We're gonna stir this all together. That's it. That's it, little kiddos. And then after it gets all warmed up, you're gonna have your mom get a bag of these. You're gonna put this in your bowl, and you're gonna scoop it out with these chips. Until next time, remember that Gigi loves you. Go practice cooking and clean up your messes. One more thing, taco soup isn't taco soup unless you have a little dollop of sour cream. You just need a little bit, like that. And you need a little bit of grated cheese. Now you've got taco soup. Make sure you use the scoops.